Hi everyone, and thanks for watching another episode of Breaking Elegance, where we help you improve your lifestyle with technology. Today we're going to be talking about the iPhone XS Max best hardware feature. So this marks a new era for Breaking Elegance because today we start super fast, super quick tech, where we talk about the best feature or features of a device. And today we're going to be talking about the iPhone XS Max, but if you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button below. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and let's jump right into this. So the best actual hardware specification, the hardware thing that you probably might not find very significant, but I did, was the speakers on this device. They're super crisp, super clean, and sound so good. It's just music to my ears, literally. I mean, they're great speakers on this device. And it made me actually feel good about having this device because sometimes I actually want to chill and listen to music and I don't have a Bluetooth speaker or something to connect to, and this just does the job, and it's so good at that. It even hurts me because the speakers, honestly, in my honest opinion, just outperform the ones on the Note 9, and the Note 9 has very good speakers, but the ones on this are better, and those are trade-offs. You know, there are better things on the Note 9 that you will not have on the iPhone, but I'm not getting into this. So this is specifically love for my XS Max. I'll have another video on the Note 9 and what I love about that device, so stay tuned for that one. Other than that, if you do have an iPhone 10 and you don't care about this and you're not going for the bigger screen, then hold on to your change because next year is a different year, and I'm pretty sure Apple's gonna come up with something, and it's not S year. S years are usually half steps up, and to next year is gonna be a full step. So I can't wait to see what happens next year with the Apple devices. Other than that, that's all I have to say for you guys. If you guys have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Follow us over on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And like always, hit that bell notification if you haven't already, and subscribe. And like always, have a great one.